And I wanted to share with you guys our little beetles that we have. This is a stag beetle. You can see he's eating right now. That little orange hairy thing that's sticking out that's forked is his tongue. If you watch carefully there, yeah, just went inside. He's kind of sucking his yummy little breakfast there. But we usually just catch beetles around our house. We try to, if we're lucky, we happen to catch one on a window late at night when they're attracted to the light. That's how things kind of went for us last year, at least. Sometimes we can put together a little concoction of sake and mushrooms, not mushrooms, bananas, excuse me, to try to catch our own. But this time around, my brother was visiting and really wanted to have one, so we went to the department store to buy one before they were really in full-blown season here. So we bought this guy along with his wife. You buy them usually in pairs so that you can try to breed them later. He got super angry and attacked her, and she has a couple of holes in the back of her shell on her backside, so we separated them so that they wouldn't be fighting anymore. But this little guy, he's a kind of a variation of a stag beetle, and is a pretty good size actually. We have them in here. You can buy the dirt. There's special dirt for these guys. There's special charcoal that you can put in so things don't stink so bad. There's special little rocks that you can put in there so that little tiny like fleas don't come to bother the bugs. You buy these special pieces of wood to either put the food in or to help them breed. The other one over there, that's what they like to lay their eggs inside of. There's also, you can kind of see here, I'll show you guys how big he is with my pencil if I can. He's a good couple centimeters long, probably 5 to 6 centimeters long, I'd say. He's a pretty good size. He does get kind of angry and feisty sometimes, though. So that's kind of him. And then here's a girl. She's quite a bit smaller than he is, and maybe just a couple centimeters, and maybe 3 centimeters. You can kind of see that little dent there on the side, that little light brown on the bottom part. That's where he got her. So we put her in this little cage here so she'd be a little happier. But the thing they're eating is kind of like a little beetle jello, which is kind of funny. But there's different flavors of that you can share with your beetle and buy that. Lots of cute little kinds of food and toys like that, sort of like you would have for a dog or a cat or a hamster, for example. So we're hoping that we'll get some babies from this, and hopefully we'll keep these guys strong for as long as we can. But beetles tend not to live that long usually, so we'll have to see how things go. But yeah, you can kind of see there on the side where she kind of got nabbed, but she's doing better now. So, but that's just kind of a little introduction to our cute little beetles that we have here.